In this video tutorial, we will see how to print number triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here, in this pattern, every line begins with space characters. These space characters are gradually decreasing line by line from 8 to 0, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. And those space characters are appended with number character. These number characters are increasing line by line in the range of 2 from 1 to 9, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Here, along with every number, there is a space character is appended. We can divide this pattern into two parts. Let's type code to execute this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable with 0. We are going to use while loop here. While I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iteration. And at the end of every iteration, we are going to increase I value by 1. I plus equal to 1. And our I value will be 0. 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the end of fifth iteration, I value will become 5. 5 less than 5, condition false. Our iteration is going to stop here. For this type of pattern, we require one nested while loop. Declare and initialize a variable with 0, j is equal to 0. While j minus 1 less than I into 2, at the end of while loop we are going to increase j value by 1. Here j minus 1 is going to give us minus 1 less than I value is 0. Minus 1 less than 0, 0. It is going to iterate this while loop. After the first iteration, j value is going to become 1. So 0 less than 0 condition is false, and this while loop is going to terminate here. At the end of first iteration, I value will become 1. J minus 1 less than 1 condition true. Then 0 less than 1 condition is true. Then 1 less than 1 condition is false. While loop is going to terminate iteration. Similarly, this while loop is going to get iteration for the remaining values of I, which is 2, 3 and 4. So let's print the space character first. We are going to use two space characters here at a time. Multiply by 4 minus I, which is going to give us 4, 3, 2, 1. And our result will be 8 space, then 6, then 4, then 2 and 1 space. In the same line we are going to print the number. For that we are going to use this AND variable. The spaces in the same line there is a number. Now let's print the first half of the pattern. Print 5 minus j, which is going to give us first half of the pattern, and separate all the numbers, the space character. Let's run this file in the terminal. We can see here the result is printed in the single line. To separate and to print it line by line, we require print statement outside this while loop. Run this py triangle.py file. We can see we are able to print the first half. Now let's print the second half. For that we require if condition. If j plus 1 is greater than I plus 1, then print the first half and separate it with space, else print the first half. Here if condition, if a plus 1 is greater than half of the length of the line is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. If it is half of the length of the line, then print the second half. Let's run UI file in the terminal. We can see we are able to print first half and second half with the star. Place this star and write logic to print the second half 6 plus I minus j, which is going to give us the required second half with the numbers. Run UI file. You can see this is our required result. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number triangle pattern.